Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: battery above 20%, mobile data on, and carrier allowance for tethering. Once done, check your APN settings briefly and have your Wi-Fi password ready so you can test quickly. Now restart the phone to clear transient network glitches. Make sure Bluetooth is off to avoid connection mix-ups. This jumpstarts the process and exposes any carrier blocks early, so you don't waste time chasing the wrong fixes. You go directly into Settings, tap Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering to configure the hotspot. Set a clear SSID and a WPA2 password. Choose the two. 4 GHz band for widest device support because many devices fail on 5 GHz. Once configured, limit connections to 1 or 2 devices so you can isolate problems. If a device still won't join, forget the network on that device and re-enter the password. That clears credentials. You finish by testing with a second phone to confirm the hotspot is visible and accepting connections. That verifies whether the issue is the host or the client. If it still fails, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then re-enable mobile data, which refreshes radio stacks. Make sure to check for carrier blocks or data caps. If nothing helps, reset network settings as a last resort. This clears saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and APN problems. Backup any custom APNs before you reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.